Good morning. Before we start with, let me tell you, this is one of the easiest paper in your group 2. Every faculty will tell it, but I mean it because you are going to enjoy the paper because compared to group 1 accounting, as Vatsan sir was telling, group 2 is comparatively easier and of course deeper. It is having only a limited syllabus and all the topics which you are going to see over here are enjoyable, definitely enjoyable, number one. Number two, this will take lesser span of time because for example, if you look at partnership form or amalgamation or company accounts for that matter, okay, if you understand the first class, then you will be able to just sail with additional adjustments for the next. Okay, for example, let us assume I'm starting with topic 1. If you start with topic 1 will have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, like that. It will have a deeper adjustments. So never miss the first class. The rule is never miss the first class and never miss the first 20 minutes. Okay, first 20-30 minutes we are going to give you the concepts. Based on that we are going to practice. If you miss the first 20 minutes of the class, then what will happen is you will directly come for a solution to the problem where you will not know why this journal entry is passed or why this adjustment is made or what is this topic is about. For example, let us assume today I will start with an easy topic called as internal reconstruction. Okay, if you miss the first 20 minutes, the problem will be like, okay, why internal reconstruction, why it is done, what journal entry we have to pass, are they selling the company, all those doubts you will have directly when you start with the problem. So those who are attending physically, ensure that, okay, be on time to the class. I'll ensure that I'm present 15 minutes before. Okay, so I request you to have a mood set before the class starts. So about 10-15 minutes earlier to the class, you can come and settle so that we can be comfortable in learning also. That is number one. Number two, ensure that, okay, those who are coming for physical class or live online, ensure that you are continuing that particular thing on a day-to-day basis. You don't have a lethargy that, okay, anyhow the recording is going to be provided, why should I come for the class, why should I travel for the class, because the live online or the physical, okay, that cannot be replaced with the recorded class because you'll be just alone sitting with the home. I cannot understand whether you're able to understand the concept or not, or whether you're able to pick up the concept or you're having some trouble. So those things I cannot understand through a recorded session. So what I request is ensure that you are attending the classes regularly. And of course, if there is anything that is missed out of health reasons or audit reasons and other things, you can pick it up from your maybe from your recorded classes. For example, let us assume a person has missed today's class. Ensure that you are accessing the class and come for the next class kind of a thing. We'll ensure that on the same day the lectures are being encrypted and added. Okay, today whatever we are doing, so by the end of the day it will be encrypted and added, and how to access all those things, information will come to you in a private chat to you. Okay, so that is about the thing. So let me to come directly into the subject. Okay, so as everybody says, consistency in preparation and attending the class matters. I do not want to talk much about it because many of you would have already experienced either group 1 class or group 1 examination. Okay, certain mistakes you would have done, please eliminate them in group 2. Maybe starting late or preparing late or not learning on time, not going through ICI material or not revising PTP, RTP, certain mistakes you could have done. That ensure that you are not doing it. So if you look at, this is a syllabus, certain accounting standards are covered which will be taken by Deepika ma'am. Then dissolution of partnership, amalgamation, conversion or sale of firm. Okay, that is there. That is about partnership accounts. Then with respect to company accounts, you've got ESOP, employee stock option plan, buyback, amalgamation, internal reconstruction, and what? Liquidation. This is module 2 is with respect to which one? Company accounts, full related to company accounts. Module 3 is with respect to the format based accounts. Okay, banking company accounts are there. NBFC companies are being covered over here. Then you will have consolidated financial statements, where holding and subsidiary company accounts you will be doing. If you look at only 6, we can group them into 6 or 7 topics. Partnership is there, company accounts is there, then we have got the format based accounts called banking company accounts is there, then we have got consolidated financial statement like that. Okay, so which topic is important for examination? All the topics are important for examination because already only 6 or 7 topics are given. In this we cannot make a choice like that, this is important, this is not important, like that we cannot make it. So we'll ensure that your syllabus is done at least 30 days before the exam, including revisions or whatever that is required. Okay, so today let me to begin with internal reconstruction. Let me to begin with which one? internal reconstruction. It's an easy one to understand also, and again a very small topic to start with. Okay, and it is repeatedly tested in the exam for about minimum 8 marks. A range of marks is minimum 8 marks, maximum up to what? 10 marks it can be tested in the exam.